Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
4 ounces of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of jerk marinade. I'm gonna go into a little bit of black pepper. About a 1/4 teaspoon. Jerk marinade has seasoned, but we still need a little bit of salt. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix that up. Get all the seasonings marinated. So you're gonna separate that into three equal gulf size beef. Roll those up in a ball. You can grease your hand, this helps tremendously. Roll those up in a nice ball like you're making meatballs. There we go. So for the burger sauce, we're gonna go in with a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of relish, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can use regular mustard if you want to. A tablespoon of tomato ketchup, a little bit of smoked paprika, onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, teaspoon of granulated sugar, and lastly I'm gonna grate a little bit of red onion. You can use white onion if that's what you have. You can chop this up as well, and we're gonna give that a mix. And there we go. Our burger sauce is ready. Now for the burger bun, I'm going in 1 large Spanish onion, and I'm going to cut it from the center in order to make the bun. And there we go. These will serve as our buns, right? So 2 nice sized onions, put that to the side. So I have here a ramekin and I put some foil paper over this. I'm going to be using that to smash my burger, right? Once your pan is hot, you're going to add a little bit of oil. In goes our onions. Going to season that with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Allow these to caramelize on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, we're going to flip those over now. Try and hold that in place. And we're going to flip. Try to get a nice caramelization on it. Flip that over. You're going to season again with salt and pepper. Just a little bit. So if you're an onion lover, you'll love this one. I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of butter. Melt that down. Flip those over. That's looking good. We're going to go in now with some mild cheddar cheese. Remove those from my pan. And we're going to set that aside. So we just have those melting up. We're going to go in with our patties. I'm going to aim for 1 at a time. And then I'm going to press that out flat. And this will retract to the size of the onion. I'm going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Give that a flip. Oh, that color. Cook that for another minute. We're going to add that onto our patty, onto our cheese, and we're going to repeat. Gonna add a little bit of that sauce on there on the middle patty. You can just use 2 patty for this one if you want to. 1 tablespoon of the sauce. Cover that up. My mouth is salivating. Oh, let's go. Flavor is so good, but this is messy. It's messy, but the flavor is good. I don't like the manageability of this, you know. I'd rather to put my burger patties between buns. I wasn't gonna post this, but you know what? It may help somebody out there that wants to see it and want to try it. So I tried, so you don't have to. The flavor is very good, but the manageability of it, I don't like it. As soon as you take the first bite, all those layers of onion come crumbling away, so it's not for me. I'd eat the same thing. So when I make my onion, I always caramelize it and put it on my smash burger. I have a video out on the channel with the same smash jerk burger, so I love that. But in terms of using the onion for the bun, practically it doesn't work. It's very messy, especially if you're out. No. So I personally, I don't like that aspect of it, but the flavor profile of it is good. Caramelized onion is always a great thing all day. So when I say so, I just put that on some bun, to be honest, and have it that way, so it's more manageable and clean. So that's it. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've ever tried this, what are your feedbacks in regards to this? So once again, thank you very much for watching. See you until next time. Safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up for yourself.